Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign into Walmart affiliate program. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to official Walmart affiliate program website. In the search bar, type in Walmart affiliate program. Here, click on the link. Now on the home page, look for the sign in button. Then tap on it. Here you'll have to enter your phone number or email that you had used while creating an account. Once you enter your details, click sign in to access your Walmart affiliate dashboard. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.